To check your transaction history on Kraken, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the platform and find the information you need. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Kraken website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Ensure you are using a secure connection. Step 2. Navigate to the Reports section. Once logged in, locate the Reports tab in the main menu. This section contains various options related to your account activity. Step 3. Select Transaction History. In the Reports section, find and click on Transaction History. This will direct you to a page displaying all your past transactions. Step 4. Filter your transactions. Use the available filters to narrow down your transaction history by date, type, or asset. This will help you find specific transactions more easily. Step 5. Download or export your history. If you need a copy of your transaction history, look for the download or export options. You can typically choose formats like CSV or PDF for your records. Now you can easily check your transaction history on Kraken. Regularly reviewing your transactions can help you stay informed about your trading activities.